What do you think? New set. I bought some racking and I adjusted the shelves so they can be bench space. There's supposed to be a fourth one that goes in the middle here, but I thought no. I left the panel off the top so the light can shine through. Customers' knives go there. Display up here using neodymium magnets. Everything I need. Here's the 1x30. I'll bring that in if I need to. I'm using my old Jarrah workbench, the carpenter's workbench, which fits everything perfectly. It's a lower height, so this actually, it's about 10 mil lower. No, about maybe 20 or 30 mil lower than the other bench that I was using, which had me a little bit high like that. Fantastic. Display, and it's in its early days. There's still a few things to go. I've got a buffing station there, the wire brush. I've got my two Scotch-Brites there, so I don't have to swap them around. I can just fire that straight up. I've got my strop there, kangaroo tail. You don't want to see behind. Everything was kind of pushed there, and stuff's still outside, and the motorbike's going to have to go in there somewhere, but I'm pretty happy. What do you think?